Hey everybody, welcome to Life is Too Short. Are you a pet lover and likes to have some pets all over your place? Well, you are in the right place as we will tell you some actions by which you can figure out whether your cat hates you or loves you. Today in the Learning Machine series, we are going over the top 7 signs your cat hates you. But before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get into the video. Number 7. Horizontal tail. It is believed that cats' behaviors can be identified by their tails. A certified cat behaviorist says that a cat tail is an impressive tool to identify their behavior. Note that if your cat tail is lower horizontally, then there are chances she doesn't like you or she is aggressive. Number 6. They hiss at you. Cats are very friendly creatures, but note that they are the ones who will attack you badly when they can. Cats usually hiss around the things which they do not like at all. If you notice your cat hissing while looking at you, then she is probably threatening you. Number 5. They hid from you. Cats are the ones who will play all around the house at any time and will roam around. If your cat doesn't roam around or hides at an unusual place for so long, then she is probably ignoring you and does not like your presence. Number 4. They plays with everyone else except you. As mentioned earlier, cats like to play whether they are adult or baby, and if your cat does not play with you, then it's a big sign that you're not liked by her or him. They are the ones who can play with anyone at any time. Number 3. They ignore you. Cats love to play with toys and their masters. They are always roaming around, exploring the places, and hugging their masters. But if you do not experience any such thing by your cat, and if they go from the room in which you are, then she does not like you at all. If she does not play with the toys you brought, then it's probably a bad situation you are in. Number 2. They pee outside their litter. Cats are very specific in their hygiene and do not like some's interference. But yes, if you notice them that they are not using litter when you are around them, it's a big problem and a sign that they are not interested in you at all. Number 1. They bite. Cats are the ones with whom everyone can play at any specific time. But if your cats start to bite you frequently without any specific reason, then yes, you guessed it right. She does not like you at all. So now you can verify very easily that you are hated or loved by your pet. Share this video with your friends who have cats. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.